Hello, where is your focus? This is the question that I'm raising in this video because there are so many things in our life which are controllable, which we can control, which you can control. But at the same time, there are many things on which we don't have any control. That is why it's important to continue to ask, where is your focus? On controllables or things which you cannot control? Before we proceed further, click on the link below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, stay connected. So some of the things which you can control, first one is you can control what you read. With so much of information available in text form, in readable form, ultimately, who is going to decide what to read? You can decide to read things which empower you, which support you, which give you new ideas, which enhance your creative abilities. You can make a choice about that. But at the same time, you can also choose to read which do not really add any value to you in any way. So who is making a choice about what to read? You can control what to read. Second important thing that you can control is what to watch. With so much of visual stuff available, starting from TV to internet to your devices, you can control what you watch. Things which again give you positivity here or which create a kind of conflict within yourself. Let us say, just take an example. If you are watching a soap opera where there is a problem in relationships which is depicted many times, so what is it that will start happening to you? I remember an instance where my mother, she was quite aged, and as she would watch news which have a lot of negativity in them or which do not match with what she wants to happen, she used to let us know next morning that I was not able to sleep. So this is what is important for us to decide as to what are we watching. Third important thing that you can control is you can control your words. What kind of words come out of your mouth, right? And the source of all these words is what? Your thought process, which means you can also control your thought process. And when you control your thought process, the kind of words which come out of your mouth in your communication will be some which will help others, which will support others, which will empower others, which will encourage others, which will be appreciative. But at the same time, you must have heard many people, the moment they open their mouth, there is only thing that comes out, negativity. Do you like to relate with them? Do you want to stay connected with them? Do you want to remain in the company of such people? I'm sure you don't want that. Same way, if you are bringing out negativity in your communication, people will not be very happy in your company. So you can control what you use as your words in your communication. And the last thought that I'm sharing here is you can control your actions. And when I'm saying actions, I'm also emphasizing you can control your habits. Repetitive actions are nothing else but our habits. So you can control your habits, you can control your actions. And let me remind you, just remind you that how do we experience any consequences? We experience consequences only because of our actions. So as we start making a choice about the right actions, which help us move ahead, which help us proceed towards our goals, what starts happening to us? So we start feeling satisfied and fulfilled. That is why you must believe that you can control your actions, your habits. Have you heard many people complain many times, oh, I am habitual of that. What is it they are trying to convey when they say anything like that is that they are helpless. But remember, no, that is not the truth. You can control your actions, you can control your habits. Now let us look at some of the things which you cannot control, and many times a lot of effort and energy goes in thinking about those dimensions which do not really help you in any way. So one of the first things there is what others say. And we can expand this a little bit. What others think, say and do, you do not have any control over that. Even after you tell others even after you share your expectations with them, even then you cannot control what others think, what others say, and what others do. So don't create a tension within yourself about what others are thinking, saying, and doing. Second important thing is you cannot control your past experiences. Once it is over, it is over. It is gone. There's nothing that can be done about it. I always say it like this: there is no undo command in our life. It has happened. The only thing that you can do about it is you can develop a new perspective about it. So again, don't worry too much, don't think too much about what has happened in the past, but also always think, what is it that you can draw from there? Third important thing is you cannot really control the environment. What is happening around you, you can't really control. Starting from, let's say, you step out of your house, whether the lift is working or not in your control, right? So you will have to understand that in the environment, what is likely to happen is not in control. The whole world right now is experiencing pandemic, COVID. Was that in anyone's control? Could anyone have predicted it? Perhaps not. So whatever is happening in the environment, you need to learn to flow with it. You need to learn to adapt to it. And the last thought that I'm sharing is, you cannot control having all the answers. No one is equipped to have all the answers. There are questions which always remain unanswered, at least for a person. So collectively, there may be all answers available in the world somewhere, but for an individual, that may not be true. And don't fret about it unnecessarily, saying to yourself, oh my God, I don't know an answer to this. You can't. And there's another dimension which comes up here. Is it also not true? When you think that you have all the answers, if at all possible, when you think that you have all the answers, questions change, isn't it? So don't waste unnecessary energy on things which you cannot control. Start focusing on things which you can control and see how the shift in life starts happening to your liking.